This is the Dell Venue 10, a 10-inch Dell branded Android tablet. This comes as in a 2-in-1 form, but it gets sold as just a single tablet like this with an optional keyboard which can attach to it as well. So the reason why I've got this one today is it's been dropped in with a broken screen, which with Dell being Dell, they're extremely hard to find any spare parts for. This one was originally released in 2015, but I think the biggest dilemma why the screen's broken on this, it's used as an AMOLED screen, which is quite similar to Samsung. So if you've ever had a Samsung phone apart, especially the Galaxy S series from the S4 and above, and you've had a bit of a play with the screen, you'll definitely notice that the panel is about as flexible and breaks as easy as an eggshell, which it's a bit too delicate for my liking, where even though LCD technology is poorer in brightness and image quality, I still rather that for durability's sake. So as you can see in the video, I'm attempting to disassemble it. I've had it on a heat pad at 60 degrees straight down on the screen for probably around about 2 to 5 minutes, which has heated it up just nicely. And I've discovered that there's an adhesive just on the inside of the screen itself. So if you follow the border around it, you should be able to release the 3 edges, and you should be able to peel it open, which you'll soon see. Granted, with this, the digitizer and the AMOLED screen was destroyed, but being that it was already broken, it was no loss. But after getting it open, the biggest dilemma that I've got is finding a replacement part. The device itself was around $500 US when it was first released. Nowadays they seem to go for about as cheap as about $150 US or $200 Australian. But trying to find a replacement screen for this, there's just nothing out there. The only one that I've come across was a replacement screen which was around about $220 US. So overall, this device, it's just not cost effective to repair it, so it'll be going into the scrap pile for now. So that's about all I've got to say for it. You're welcome to keep watching. When I crack it open, I do show the serial numbers on the screen, on the flex cable, and just a general bit of the inside of it. I don't really dismantle any further apart from the screen, but yeah, if it helps you out, let me know. Otherwise, see ya.